World War I. Both the Triple Entente of France, Russia, and Britain, and the Triple Alliance of Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Italy, were established by July 1914. The war was formally declared on Austria-Hungary on August 12, with Britain and France soon joining the war. The Ottoman Empire began World War I by backing Austria-Hungary and Germany in the autumn of 1914. In addition to Europe's colonial empires, the war was also waged in Africa and around the world. The German drive into France was halted at the Battle of the Marne, and the war settled into a long battle of attrition by the end of 1914. The Eastern Front, by contrast, was marked by much greater exchanges of territory. When Bulgaria joined the Central Powers in 1915, the war spread into the Balkans. The US was neutral, yet while neutral it became a significant provider of military equipment to the Allies. Even though Serbia was beaten in 1915, and Romania joined the Allied powers in 1916, it was only in 1918 that the great powers were defeated. In 1917, a revolution that deposed the monarchy took place in Russia, but dissatisfaction with the war cost led to the formation of the Soviet Socialist Republic and the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk in March 1918, which brought Russia out of the war. Germany controlled large parts of Eastern Europe, sending thousands of combat troops to the Western Front. Using new tactics, the German March 1918 offensive began successfully. Germany surrendered on November 11, 1918, ending the war. Despite the definitive Allied triumph and the founding of the League of Nations to help prevent future hostilities, a Second World War occurred only 20 years later. First used in September 1914, German scientist and philosopher Ernst Haeckel used the term global war to refer to global war. The defeat of France in the Franco-Prussian War paved the way for the unification of the German nations into a German empire under Prussian authority. To keep France isolated, Bismarck signed the League of the Three Emperors, Dreikaiserbund, between Austria-Hungary, Russia, and Germany in 1873. British intervention into any future conflict including France or Russia became a possibility because of the Accords. Following the German victory in the Franco-Prussian War in 1871, Germany's economic and industrial strength dramatically increased. Concern over the narrowing of the gap between mobilization times spurred the German and Austro-Hungarian navies to end their race for naval superiority. When Germany expanded its standing army by 170,000 men in 1913, France doubled the length of compulsory military service. This led to increases in both the Ottomans and Austria-Hungary. In October 1908, Austria-Hungary officially annexed the former Ottoman territory of Bosnia and Herzegovina, which it had held since 1878. A treaty signed in London that resulted in the final dissolution of the Ottoman Empire and the creation of an independent Albanian state. The assassination set up a month of diplomatic maneuvering known as the July Crisis. A month after the assassination, Austria-Hungary declared war on Serbia. The ultimatum demanded Germany be demobilized and granted that the Serbs would not be given aid. Following Russia's retaliation, Germany declared war on Russia on August 1. This brought to the general mobilization in Austria-Hungary on August 4. As tough as it was, the German authorities gave orders to France to remain impartial as they tried to choose which deployment plan to employ. Nevertheless, Wilhelm would not march the German army into Luxembourg until he had received a telegraph from his cousin, George V, who cleared up the confusion. France has known about intelligence indicating that Germany planned to invade via Belgium for many years. French General Joseph Joffre inquired about the potential of sending some French troops into Belgium to stop a possible German move, but his civilian superiors shot the plan down. Interpretations of what Germany had promised to support Austria invasion Hungary of Serbia differed. Austro-Hungarian forces were forced to divide their forces between the Russian and Serbian fronts. Austrian assaults were repelled, leading to Austrian casualties and serving as a major blow to the Austro-Hungarian military hopes for a swift victory. To 80% of the army's capacity, the West was allocated with the remaining 20% acting as a deterrent in the East. The goal was to quickly defeat France, then redeploy to the East to finish off Russia. Consequently, as the German army grew in strength before the conflict, Hitler reallocated units on the German right and left wings from 85-15 to 70-30. Germany controlled the bulk of France's domestic coal reserves and had suffered 230,000 more casualties than it had itself by the end of 1914. New Zealand took over German Samoa on August 30, 1914. The Australian Naval and Military Expeditionary Force, (UNMIF), arrived on the island of New Pommern on the 11th of September, which was part of German New Guinea. Colonial armies fought against one another from the very beginning of the war. On 6 to 7 August, French and British soldiers invaded Togo and Cameroon. On August 10, German forces attacked South Africa. Fighting was sporadic and fierce the rest of the war. Germany instigated rebellions in India, and sent a mission to Afghanistan with the goal of inducing the country to join the Central Powers in the war. During the war, as well as in the aftermath, the British government failed to provide India with self-governance, which created dissatisfaction and fueled the independence movement led by Mohandas K. Before World War I, military tactics had fallen behind technological progress and were rendered outdated. Defensive mechanisms created as a result of the advance could overcome out-of-date military tactics during the battle. In 1914, Allied and German forces tried to outflank each other in a sequence of operations which came to be known as the Race to the Sea. In the Second Battle of Ypres, the Germans employed chlorine gas for the first time on the Western Front.